Unlock the power of manifestation and believe in your ability to create the life you desire. My dear friends, I stand before you today to talk about the power of manifestation and the importance of believing in ourselves and our abilities to create the life we desire. We all have dreams and aspirations, but often, our current circumstances make it easy to feel like those dreams are out of reach. Whether it's financial struggles, relationship problems, or career setbacks, it's easy to feel like we're stuck in a rut and that our circumstances are beyond our control. But I want to remind you that your circumstances do not define you. They do not limit your potential or your ability to manifest the life you want. The power to create the life you desire lies within you. It's important to remember that true abundance is not just about material wealth, but about the richness of our experiences and the love in our lives. It's easy to feel hopeless when things are tough, but I want to remind you that every obstacle is an opportunity for growth and change. You have the strength and determination to turn your struggles into a stepping stone towards a brighter future. Believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you desire. Manifestation is not just about wishing for something to happen, it's about taking consistent action towards achieving your goals. It's about setting clear and specific intentions and taking steps towards making them a reality. It's about surrounding yourself with positive and supportive people who will lift you up and encourage you on your journey. But most importantly, it's about believing in yourself and your ability to manifest the life you want. It's about having faith in the universe and trusting that everything happens for a reason. It's about knowing that the universe is always conspiring in our favor, and that we have the power to manifest our dreams into reality. So my dear friends, I urge you to believe in yourselves. Believe in your ability to manifest the life you want. Believe that you deserve abundance and that it is possible for you. Don't let your current circumstances limit your potential. Take consistent action towards your goals and believe that it is possible for you to manifest the life you desire. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. It takes time and effort, but with every step you take towards your goals, you are one step closer to manifesting the abundance you desire. So don't give up, believe in yourself and your ability to create the life you want.